Hi, I'm Harish Godeti and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a question that I get frequently. People reach out to me on YouTube through YouTube and ask me, "Hey, we are a freelancer. How can we get in, do we really need to get onto the AWS Partner Program, or can we just work as independent consultant?" So today's topic is to really explain what is the difference between working through an AWS partner program versus independent consulting, right? As an independent consultant for AWS. So I'm going to explain, why going the program route is the best thing to do than actually just doing it or serving your clients as an independent consultant. So let's dive in. So here's what you lose out if you are not part of the AWS program, right? So that will tell you, I don't want to highlight and say, hey, AWS program is the best program. This is, you have to do it. So I'm not here to market that. I'm here to show you what you'll probably lose out if you're not part of the program and doing independently, right? So the first thing is there's something called AWS Skill Builder. As a partner, when you enroll, you get a lot of partner training through Skill Builder that will help you sell more, that will help you to market better, and do a lot of things that partners do. That is something that you will miss out if you are not actually going through the program. So that is one thing. The second thing is the marketing toolkits and training that you get as a partner. So there are so many pre-built campaigns, and the marketing academy. There is marketing predefined campaigns, social media toolkits. So there's so much stuff that's available on the Partner Central, and the guidance on how to market a specific type of workloads. For example, if you are want to specialize in migration, how do you market migration? How do you market, for example, databases, Amazon Connect? So there's so many things that are out there that you really need to focus on, that you lose out if you're not part of the partner center or the partner program. Third one is deal support. So as an independent consultant, they are basically hiring you, right? So, and they are, I mean, you don't have any more connections within AWS to support, or for example, for a customer, if they are trying to learn, asking about something new that came in, and you don't have that expertise, then you can't bring in anyone on that particular deal. But with Partner Central, you can bring in the right people to do for the deal support, so they can assist you in this discussion and help you out, help you in answering some of the questions that your team or you may not have the answers. Fourth one is partner funding. So how partners make money is through doing migrations. There are so many funding benefits that AWS provides for partners: market development funds, sandbox credits, then you have the POC credits, then you have partner initiatives, and then some customer initiatives. So there are so many types of funding that are available for partners in terms of credits or cash, map program funding. So that all that stuff you can't get if you are not part of the partner program. Fifth one is customer funding. This is huge. Customers get a lot of funding from AWS. Not a lot of, I mean, based on the rules and on the program. If they are, if they're signing up for, I mean, if they qualify for a MAP program, migration acceleration program, there is X amount of funding that they'll get from AWS to assist with the migration. So there's so much funding that AWS also gives customers, which you can't give on your own if you are. So as an independent consultant, you are limited to only like probably like a gig. Let's say they have some issue and you want to troubleshoot, or you just want to set up something for you, and you are just doing that, and you're out of the project. You are not in position to take on big migration projects, take on post migration, managing the AWS environment, like managed services agreement. So you can't do all of those things. So all that stuff is you lose out in terms of customer funding. Finally, you have the certification credits. So every certification that you get as a partner, Amazon AWS actually gives credits the gives credits back to the account for all the certifications that the team members pass. So that certification credits, you'll miss out on that as well. Finally, the customer stress, right? So any customer who is looking for migration, or who is looking to basically scale in AWS, can't depend on just one resource, right? So I mean, yes, you may have connections, or you can probably get some team member outsource and subcontract some of the work, but they want to work with a team who takes sole responsibility for the whole thing. And that, as a partner, when they believe that AWS Partner Program will ensure that they have legitimate people, vetted out teams that actually serve the customers, and it builds a lot more trust. So what happens is, as an independent consultant, you actually lose out on on those that aspect. So you will be limited to, like I said, small gigs where you just go ahead and implement something, and maybe or just continue to provide some support and stuff like that. You are not into big things like migration and things like that. So which is what you should aim for if you want to scale, or if you want to grow as an AWS, as an AWS consultant. So, like I said, this is what you lose out if you're not a partner and doing independently. Then the question remains is, I don't know, the common question you have is, how can I how can I be a partner, because I don't have the capital, I don't have the enough team members to build, and I don't have no interest in actually building a team or renting an office space and doing all of that stuff. Then, like I said, the easiest thing to do is bring your skill set to another partner, reach out to another partner who are like in early stages, like select here, and join hands with them, and then work with them, so that it's a win-win for everyone. And you get to work on bigger projects, you get to make more revenue, and at the same time the partner also gets to scale quickly. So that's an easiest way to actually be part of the portal. And the benefit that you get by joining the partner program is all these, right? Any customer you bring in, you get the deal support, you get the opportunity, you get the funding and all of that stuff that you can offer as well. So if you're an independent consultant, just jump in and join a partner who can offer it to you, who is at a select tier. And then because once they get to the advanced tier, they don't care, right? So they are big enough to scale by themselves. They don't need any more help. Right, so yeah, I think this video helps you to think through on what's best for you to best path for you to grow as an AWS consultant. I hope you like the video. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, that's what I did. I was an independent consultant. I started doing a partner program, but I'd have no interest in building and scaling a team. So I joined Veridium, and we are all now partners, and we are building as as a common partner. We are working together and building the AWS partner business. So it's that's the path I took, and it is very beneficial, I must say. So think about it, and go create your own group for that matter, and then just go ahead and get into the partner program. That's another way to do it. I hope you like the video. Go ahead, like it, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.